Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are from Jiangsu-based international trade company. I'm Tia.
I'm Ken. According to many audience feedback, after last live show, we sought out a lot of questions. Today we will answer them one by one. You may find some questions you are also interested in. Here we go. The first question is, are we factory or trade company?
We are absolutely factory. Our company was founded in 1995 and have 25 years experience. We are one of the leading manufacturers of mini cooler and warmer box. Our workplace is about 100,000 square meters, and we located in Changzhou, Jiangsu province, about 1 hour by train near Shanghai. And now we have more than 300 workers and 20 engineers for R&D department.
Are we exported to Europe or US?
Yes, all of our products have been exported to Europe, South America, North America, and also Korea, Japan, South Africa, and so on.
Our factory got ISO 901 and 14901 certificate and passed the ESCI. Besides, our products passed the CE LFGB in mark, reach, and rows for European market. And we also passed the PSE for Japan market and the GS certificate for German market. We also supply this adapter which passed the UL certification for US American market.
What auditions do our factory have?
We passed the statics audition and the TCCD for full cooler.
What's our MOQ payment? Which ports we are nearby?
Usually MOQ is a 20-feet container. The quantity is about 1,500 pieces for this 5-liter box and about 330 pieces for this 5-liter box. The payment is usually 30% duty at deposit and 70% at site, 70% LC at site. We are nearby Shanghai port. Ningbo port is also available.
How about our delivery time?
Usually it takes 7 days for samples and 35 days for bulk goods.
Do we support OEM or ODM?
Yes, we have successfully cooperated with multinational corporations including Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Carrefour, Texaco, and Banco, and so on.
We also have our own brand, Best Cooler. What's more, we can show you logo and anything you like on the cooler.
Above questions are all about our factories. Next, let's talk about our products.
What's the difference between our cooler and the fridge?
Our cooler works with semiconductor without compressor or freon. It's no harm for our environment and our body. Its power consumption is deeply lower than the fridge.
Our product is not only a cooler, but also a warmer. Besides, it's a portable. You can take it anywhere.
Oh, really? Can I use it in my car?
Sure, our product supports AC and DC power. You can use it at home, office, dormitory with AC power supply. And also you can use it in your car with DC power supply. When you have a picnic or road trip, and when you when you use it in your car, you can use this cigarette connector.
What can I use it for exact cooling food?
It has two functions, cooling and warming. It can keep food fresh, cool beverage as a cooler, and also at the same time it can warm food, heat preservation as a warmer.
So what's the temperature range of this cooler?
Its lowest temperature is about 15 degrees to 18 degrees below the environment temperature, and the highest temperature is about 50 degrees to 60 degrees.
Some audience want more different colors. Can we make it?
Sure, there are two kinds of the color. One is injection color. We can make it according to your Pantone codes, and another is spray color. Some special colors like silver and mantle colors need to be painted on the surface of the cooler, and the price of spray color is a bit higher than the injection colors. How can we print customer's logo on the cooler?
Silk screen printing is a regular way to print your logo within 4 colors. It's durable and nice looking. If your logo is too complex, stickers are more suitable. The best way is water transfer sticker, but it is too expensive. I want to sell our cooler with Coca-Cola's logo. Can I do it?
If you get the license from Coca-Cola company, you can sell it.
Okay, I see. How about our package? I want our package to look nice.
Normal brown carton is the basic package, and we can also supply carton color box to carry the cooler, and we will also help you design the painter according to your requirement.
In the end, let's recommend our audience some popular models.
Look at this. This is our Coca-Cola bucket. It's very fashionable and nice looking.
Okay. This 25-liter box is also welcome in our plants. It can store about 10 coolers and 10 beers, and more things
Let's try it.
Like fruit and chocolate. Let's try to put something in it and show you how many things can put inside. I've already put 16 colors and 16 beers.
And some chocolate.
Also
water.
add 2 bowls of water and some chocolate and fruit. Okay.
Wow, I think the space is much larger than I imagined. I have another question. If our audience have new models, can we develop?
Of course, we have special engineers to design and develop new models. As you can see, all of our models are developed by ourselves.
Oh, I think it's very nice. That's all. Thanks for your watching.
If you have any other questions, please contact us.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.